With Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have an amazing hack and video for you. It's about 4 minutes long, but it's going to teach you how to season 8 meals in 5 or 10 minutes. If you have your seasonings ready, like I'm showing you in another video, you'll have this ready in 5. If not, it might take 10. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to season edamame, salmon, beef, and chicken. And we're going to season them with lime, orange juice, oregano, basil, and cilantro, garlic, ginger, and some spices like paprika, mustard, yogurt, and chipotle peppers. We just go to our freezer and select from either the flat bags where we have frozen spices or the ice cube trays or refrigerator if we have them in our little containers. And we put all our foods on the counter. Once we have everything in the counter, we put them in new containers, the ones that you're going to freeze. If you're going to freeze them in individual containers, have them ready there so you don't have to get more things dirty. Now let's have all of our foods in front of us and take out all of our frozen or refrigerated seasonings so we're ready to start. We're going to mix and match some of the seasonings, and I've written them out for you in the bottom of the video. Our beef. And this beef is made in minutes. I also call it the minute stir fry because I usually do it with stir fried vegetables that also take a minute to make because I steam them in a panini grill. So the first thing I do is I cut up my beef in little tiny slices, half of it and the other half in steak. My salmon comes already cut into servings, but if I want to make them smaller, I can. My chicken breasts come without a bone, but I slice them in half so that when I defrost them, they defrost really fast, and also when I cook them, they are flavored from the inside. And the edamames are frozen and I just season them fast so they don't defrost. I close them well and freeze them. So either at night or early in the morning, I defrost my protein in the fridge if I'm going to leave it there all day, or if I'm in a hurry, I defrost them under water that is not hot, but only at room temperature. In 10 minutes, I'll have my food defrosted, so even if I come home late, I can defrost and have a meal ready in minutes. I can come while it defrosts, I take a shower, put on some comfortable clothes, and then the oven is preheated, and in 10 minutes I'm back and I'm ready to have a meal 10 minutes later. Now I'm going to cook some in the grill and I'm going to cook some in the oven. Some in a panini grill because it depends what you have at home. All of them work perfectly well. Check out how I season the chicken. I always add a little bit of yogurt to white chicken meat with whatever seasonings I have because this is going to make it super moist and it's never going to dry out like this. Now that I've seasoned everything, check out how I make that super fast 1 minute beef that I put in the broiler about 1.5 inches from the broiler at 500 for 45 seconds only. And it comes out golden and delicious without being burnt and without being overcooked. Now in the grill, I made another piece of meat and I did some chicken and I did some salmon. So now you can see that once I have my protein cooked, and they usually take between 8 and 15 minutes depending if it's in the oven, in the grill, or in the panini, you'll have your salad ready and you have a complete meal prepared 2 minutes later. On my salad video, you'll learn how to make salads in seconds, in minutes. Super easy, beautiful, and colorful. Delicious diets are sustainable diets, so we make all our foods delicious. I hope you enjoy it and start seasoning all your meats as soon as you come from your market because this way you can do it once a month. Season all your proteins, freeze them, and have them ready to go at any time, even if they are frozen. Enjoy! Chef Pachi!